Let's talk about Linux groups. So on Linux, there are two types of groups. There are primary groups and there are secondary groups. Every user on Linux is part of a primary group, and every user on Linux can be part of one or more secondary group. Let's dive deep into creating and managing groups. If you recall from a few videos ago, our etc passwd file holds user information. That's where we also get group information. Right, so it shows us it shows us the user ID and the group ID for the user. Group information for the group is held in etc group. Let's cat that file. So you can see it has different information about the different groups on the system. What if we wanted to add a Linux group? Well, to add a Linux group, we would do group add, and then we'll call this group test. Looks like we already have a group named test. We'll call this test1.